Calculate the slenderness ratio and classify the column type in accordance with IS 456-2000 if the diameter of column is 300 mm and effective length is 3 meter. Okay. Here IS 456-2000 is given. So we know that it is a reinforced cement concrete column. Okay. And the equation for slenderness ratio lambda, slenderness ratio can be represented using the letter lambda, and slenderness ratio is equal to effective length divided by least lateral dimension. Okay, least lateral dimension. And here effective length is given as 3 meter, that is 3 meter is 3000 mm. Okay, 3000 mm, and the least lateral dimension in this case is 300 mm since this is a circular column. Okay, and our slenderness ratio is 10. Okay, and we know that if the slenderness ratio is less than or equal to 3, we can say that it is a pedestal. And the value of slenderness ratio comes between 3 and 12, we can say that it is a short column. And if the value of slenderness ratio is greater than 12, greater than or equal to 12, we can say that it is a long column. And here the slenderness ratio value comes between 3 and 12, and our column is a short column, and the value of slenderness ratio is 10, and option A is the answer.